Hey there, business owner. I'm Arvind, your local SEO ally. Ready to boost your online game? Let's dive in. Ever wonder how business rank high on Google Maps? Is the power of creating Google Maps citations with Navigation. I'll meticulously craft and optimize your online business details, ensuring accuracy and consistency. So get ready to soar in local searches and break the top. Let's talk about funnels, the secret sauce for SEO are the powerful connections to your website, telling search engines that your business is the go-to authority in your niche. Now let's fine-tune your online presence with the optimization. We need to get visible with tailored content and strategic tweaks that speak to both users and search engines. So get ready to dominate the local search. I'm Arvind. I'm here to make it happen. Head to my Fiverr profile and let's start turning your online presence